Check it out, y'all. Put this grill together today. Around, you know, got these blocks from Home Depot. Put them together. Got me a nice little bacon too. And grease in the block. This is one of them old gas grills. Give me a wood handle on this bad boy. I'll spray paint them up and all that good stuff. Finding them off. But you know, I just put them together. He ready to cook. So hey, you know we finna cook something. Man and my wife tripping. Guess what she brought me today? Some steaks. Talking about she wanted something. I ain't put them up. But hey, we gonna grill them. So you know what time it is. Let's get it. Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see, my wife threw me a curveball today. Came with some steaks. I had something all together playing different. But anyway, check it out. We're gonna do these potatoes. We're gonna do them on the grill too, y'all. We just gonna add some salt and pepper. You know, like I said, I like my little spritz bottle with my olive oil in it. That just to, you know, keep it moist inside. And hey, they finna be good, y'all. Let's wrap them on up, get them ready for the grill, and hey, ain't gonna be long now, y'all. Now check it. Like I said, my wife came with these steaks, so we gonna do them a little different than we normally do them, you know, cause I like my steak medium. She like her steak well done, so we just gonna compromise and we gonna slow smoke these bad boys. Now that was salt. Now this here is some cayenne. And hey, this here is some dried rosemary that I dried in the oven myself. You know, like I say guys, I grow my own herbs, dry them out. Hey, works good for me. But don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell, y'all. But anyway, once you get this rosemary on your meat, you want to pat it down. Now, of course, I season both sides. But, you know, guys, you don't need to see that. Let's go ahead and get our charcoal in the grill. Once we got our charcoal in, we're going to put our potatoes right on top of our charcoal. Get that lid closed up, keep that heat in whenever we not using it. And hey, go ahead and get these steaks on, y'all. Like I say, these are going to be kind of slow smoked. They're going to be good though, y'all. They're going to be good. They're going to be well done, but they're going to be good. Check it. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but you see that rosemary all throughout there? Yeah, it's going to get all that flavor in there, y'all. Oh yeah, these looking good, y'all. Give us a little quarter turn right quick on these bad boys. Well, half turn actually. Really, the heat is better right here because we're not gonna get grilled more because we're cooking too slow, y'all. Oh yeah, they looking good, y'all. They looking good. Give our potatoes a check. Now these potatoes been in this on top of this coal probably about 30 minutes now. They getting there, but they ain't quite there. I'll move them over to the hotter part of the coal. Like I said, guys, keep that lid closed so you can keep all that heat in. And these steaks, they ready, y'all. Get them on off. Now here, all I'm doing is pushing my tongues down to see about where those potatoes at. Cause you know, just a little squish test. Hey, if you can press on them and move them, hey, they ready, y'all. So yeah, get these potatoes on out. Oh yeah, I'll be back for y'all. I ain't got nothing right now. So you look, check it out, y'all. I hooked up a salad right quick. Onions, tomatoes, and olives, y'all. Red onions, y'all. Check it. We just gonna cut this potato open. Hey, as you can see, hey, grill did a good job, y'all. Grill did a good job. That potato nice and ready. Hey, and you know your boy. I gotta put me some butter on this bad boy. Give me a little bit of this sour cream. Oh yeah. It's finna be good, y'all. Let me taste this tater right quick. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. But anyway, check it out. Hope y'all try this. And hey, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.